Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics. Make sure you're signed into the exact Snapchat account that held the memories and that email or phone verification is complete. Once done, go straight to Memories and inspect both the Snaps and Camera Roll tabs to locate missing photos. Also confirm your device's cloud backup. iCloud or Google Photos is enabled. That's often where Snapchat stored files sync. If you see thumbnails, tap them to restore. If not, move on to account recovery steps. Next, use Snapchat's built-in recovery paths. Open Settings, select Memories, then choose Recover Snaps and follow prompts. Snapchat sometimes stores recoverable items for a limited time. If that fails, request your Snapchat My Data archive from Account Settings. This exports saved media and can include photos. Meanwhile, inspect your phone's cloud backup for exported images and download any matches. Once you obtain files, import them to your camera roll, then resave into Memories so Snapchat recognizes them again. Finally, restore recovered photos by importing them into your device camera roll and then open Snapchat to save to Memories. This ensures they reappear inside the app. If items are still missing, contact Snapchat support with your username, email, approximate dates, and sample file names so they can investigate. Make sure the app is updated, clear Snapchat cache, and sign out and back in to refresh cloud links. If backups are corrupted, prioritize exporting whatever you can, then rebuild your memories from those exported files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.